Easing out, yeah, one step at a time. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Morning comes without asking. Night never stays too long. You've been carrying heavy thoughts, but you're stronger than you know. Even when the road feels broken and plans don't seem to fit, life still whispers softly, this moment ain't the end of it. If your heart is feeling tired, let it rest a while. Storms don't last forever, they just visit for a time. Everything will be alright, maybe not today, but the sun is still rising in its own way. Everything will be alright, hold on, stay true. What's meant for you is finding you, yeah, yeah. You don't have to have the answers, you don't need to be brave. Some days just breathing is the strongest way. Every step you're taking, even the slow ones count. The road keeps unfolding when you don't